Alright guys, alright, so after I walked all that route from there, I smelled that something's dead. Okay, so I found the buck is still okay. As I walked to this tree, you see that little wood thing here, it's not the same color as this tree, and my eye caught it and I went closer and I saw it's a firearm. It's been hidden here. It looks like a pellet gun maybe. I don't want to take it out yet. Just want to make sure everything, look at it looks like a pellet gun maybe. It's all rusted up. Now it's bad. Somebody hid it away here, or they forgot it, maybe, I don't know. But then anyway, let me go investigate. There's a little stone house here, just here in front of me. There's a little stone house. I want to go check what's going on there. Fucking hell, sorry my language, but I'm gonna check what's going on there. Cheers guys.